Aloha foodies! Today on the Stay at Home Chef, we are making Hawaiian Haystacks. This dish is a party in your mouth with the perfect blend of creamy, savory, and sweet. Let's get started. Hawaiian Haystacks are perfect for gatherings because they can be customized to your liking. First up, we need 4 cups of cooked rice, which I'm gonna just simply do and set that aside. Now we need to make that delicious creamy chicken gravy, and this one is so much better than that canned stuff. In a large skillet over medium-low heat, we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of salted butter. Then we're gonna sprinkle in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, stir that together, and cook that for about 3 minutes. This mixture, it's called a roux, and what you're looking for with this roux is to have it become darker in color, and you're gonna smell a little bit of nuttiness coming from it. Now we're going to gradually stir in 2 cups of milk. Then also stir in 2 cups of chicken broth. Make sure you're constantly stirring this to avoid lumps. Then we're gonna add in 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then whisk everything together until it is smooth. Then we're gonna add in 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken. You can also use cubed chicken if you needed. We're gonna drop that heat to just a low simmer, stir it all together, and let that simmer together for about 5 minutes. While our gravy is simmering, let's go over the toppings that I've gathered. The ones that I think you just gotta have. You gotta have shredded cheese, chow mein noodles, and green onions. And if you're looking for some great vegetable options, we have cubed up tomatoes, sliced olives, and chopped up bell peppers. Then to add some Hawaiian flair to our Hawaiian Haystacks, I like pineapple, mandarin oranges, and shredded coconut. Simple as that, we've got our rice, our sauce, and our toppings. Now it's time to assemble. My favorite combination for toppings is, of course, well, the sauce. And then to top the sauce, I always add my cheese. Then I'm gonna add those chow mein noodles, green onions, love the color, love the flavor. Adding on just a little bit of tomatoes, pineapple for me, and a little garnish of coconut. However you choose to assemble them, have fun with it, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.